Most of my subscribers have been asking what are the best remote jobs that they can actually do in 2025. So in this particular video, I'm going to simply show you remote jobs that you can actually apply in 2025, 2026 and beyond to work with any brand, with any company. And I'm going to simply show you how to qualify for this job, how to learn the skills for free, and where to apply for this job. You have to make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to simply give you a bonus tip that will make you to stand out from other applicants. And don't bother yourself about competition, because not everybody is going to watch this video down to the very end. All right, this is not a shady stuff. If you're not ready to learn a skill, these jobs are not for you. You have to learn a skill. But right here in this very video, I'm going to be showing you what other people don't show you. So you just have to make sure you stick to the end part of this video to get this done for yourself. Let's get into it. All right, so the first one on the list is the AI prompt engineering. So your own work right here is to create advanced prompts for AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, Gemini, and lots more. Right, there are lots of AI tools out there. All you need to do is simply study all of them and get this done for yourself. All right, so where do you study this? The website you can simply learn for free is learningprompting.org. okay, so if you head over to this very section right here, this is the website. This is where you can simply learn AI skills, prompt engineering skills, just for free. You can simply learn, apply, and get certified, which means they're going to simply offer you a certification. Go ahead and click on the start learning button. Then it's going to simply take you to this phase where you have to create an account for free. You're going to see lots of courses that you can learn for free. Master AI and future proof your career. Okay, so if you click on this explore courses, you're going to see a lot of courses, and on this section they have over 25 lessons, video lessons on this very section, and 409 people have already enrolled for this. All right, so after getting your certification, there are a lot of platforms out there where you can apply, but the verified ones are the ones I'm going to show you right here in this very video, so that you won't end up going to fake website for fake jobs. All right, the first one, we have Anthropic Career. So if you click on that, this is going to simply take you to this very page where you're going to simply see job listings. So apart from that, there's another one you can simply go for, OpenAI Careers. Okay, so they have over 286 jobs available for certified prompt engineers. Okay, so just come over to this section, you're going to see a list of jobs that you can easily apply for. Anywhere you're watching from, you can see these are the countries listed here. So you just have to make sure you pick your own country right here and apply. Okay, another platform is the We Work Remotely. The second is the Cloud Solution Architect. Okay, so this is what you do. You design and manage cloud system and platforms like Hours, Azure, GCP, and lots more. Right, that is your work. And for this job, if you don't have any skill for it or any experience for it, there are websites for you to go ahead and learn. Okay, there are a lot of videos on YouTube that will teach you all of this stuff, but in this very video I have only one verified website where you can simply learn this for free. The best place to learn this is the Microsoft, this particular website. Okay, where you can simply go ahead and learn and discover your career path. Okay, and if you're done learning, they're going to simply give you a certificate. All you need to do is simply go ahead and apply for jobs on websites like Amazon Jobs, Cloudflare, RemoteTechJobs.com. right, and click on this Amazon Jobs, where you're going to simply see all the jobs available for all countries. All right, so you can see these are opportunities right here, job categories, your location. Just select your location. You can see these are list of countries that you can easily apply for. If your country is not here, just check out the next options that I'm going to simply list out right here in this very video. Okay, so that's how you apply for this. Or you go over to Cloudflare, or you go over to RemoteTechJobs.com. Right? This is also another platform, verified platform, where you can work from anywhere. The next remote job you can simply go ahead and go for right now in 2025, 2026 and beyond is cyber security analyst. Okay, and your only role right here is to protect businesses from hackers and data leak. Okay, that is your only role. Remember, what you are offering them is your skill, and your skill is your value. All right, that is what you need. That is basically how it works. All right, and if you don't know anything about cybersecurity, there are platforms for you to learn it. You can simply learn it on YouTube, you can learn it on Instagram, you can learn it on TikTok, you can learn everywhere on Coursera and lots more. Right, but the best platform where I like is tryhackme.com. all right, so if you come over to this video website, just click on this website. So this is a cybersecurity platform where you can simply learn anything about cybersecurity. You just have to come over to this section right here, and you're going to simply sign up on the platform. When you sign up, just pick a course and start learning from this very website. Okay, so after learning and getting your certification, then you have to simply go ahead and apply for remote jobs. All right, the first platform where you can easily apply is the cybersecjobs.com. Right, it's going to simply take you to this very website. This website is available worldwide. You can see right here, these are jobs you can simply do. Search for jobs right here. There are a lot of jobs right here you can easily apply for, and you can as well save them. Okay, so you need to do is simply acquire the skill. Nobody's going to simply employ you. Nobody's going to take you serious if you don't have a skill. Nobody's going to simply take you serious if you don't have certification. All right, you just have to make sure you get this done for yourself. And the best part is that the certification is not going to take 1 year. It's not going to take 4 years and a lot more. Some of these courses right here which you see here are just few minutes course, a 3 months course, 6 months course. Other platforms to apply for jobs is remote. Okay, your skill will make you stand out and also work with these people in long time. Okay, so that is that. And the next remote work is the UX and UI design. All right, so what do you do with this skill? You design only application, you design a website interface. All right, so you don't build this application, you don't actually build this application, you design. Just like you're drawing something, you draw it, tell them this is how this is going to simply be. All right, when you draw your own stuff, the application prototype, you design the website prototype, and you send it out for the main developers to build. That is your own work. All right, most of the times people can actually use AI to design all of this. All right, so if you don't know how to do all of these things, there are free platforms for you to learn. You can learn on YouTube, you can learn on Coursera and a lot more, but the one I recommend you go for is the figma.com resources/learn design. All right, this is going to simply take you to the official platform of Figma, where you can learn actual UI and UX designing. All right, and this stuff right here are 100% free. You all you need to do is simply click on this, get started for free, and start learning how to design UX, how to design website, design application, design web app, softwares, and lots more. Okay, and give it out for the actual developers to develop. They're going to simply give you a certification showing that you've already completed this particular training and you are now ready to work. All right, just design a portfolio of your work so that your employer can actually see that you are serious with this job and you know what you're doing, and they can actually employ you. After getting certified from Figma, then you can simply go ahead and go to TopTal to apply for jobs. Okay, set for that, then this is going to simply take you to the official website where you can simply see a lot of people that are offering the same service. I would advise you to go to TopTal and Contra because these two websites right here seems less competitive, right? And you can also try Upwork and Fiverr, but these ones right here are the ones I recommend you go for if you're starting out as a beginner. The next remote job you can simply go ahead and try out right now, which is just the last but not the least, is the full stack web development. Okay, so this particular section right here, your own work right here is to build a website and application. Remember, the work of the UI and UX designer is to design the prototype, design the app prototype and website, then give it to you to build. All right, and you make use of programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. Okay, and if you don't know how to do all of this stuff, there are free platforms out there for you to learn these skills, both on YouTube and all of that. But the one I recommend you go for is the freecodecamp.org. Okay, just click on this very website right here and go over to this very website. This is a website that's actually going to simply give you what you want and give you legit complete training for web development. Okay, and the funny part is that most of these websites are 100% free. All right, you can simply learn this and go ahead and apply for some jobs. Head over to We Work Remotely as well, or you go over to remote.io and Upwork. Okay, and apply for these jobs. Right, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and a lot of that requires you to create a gig telling people this is what you offer before they can actually reach out to you. Okay, so these are the top best remote jobs you can actually go ahead and apply for right now in 2025. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, I want you to like this video, share this video to your friend who needs a job, that want to work online. All right, and don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, and comment where you're watching from so that I can simply make a video that will benefit you and your country. All right, see you in the next video.
Build, grow, Mr. John Francis.